Bonjour! Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Ananas. Today's lesson is very exciting because you're going to learn how to say French sentences. What? Oh la la, but you say, Madame, I don't know how to make French sentences. Aha, you are in the right place because this is where we're going to learn. But we need a friend to help us. Can you say bonjour, Ananas, so she can join our class in a nice loud voice? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, la voici. Voici. Ah, Ananas. Ça va bien, Ananas? Oui, ça va bien. Ananas, today's lesson is about French sentences. Are you scared to learn French? Not scared? No. And are the friends scared? No, the friends are not scared either. It's not scary. It's a lot of fun. Alors les amis, on va choisir une couleur aujourd'hui. Can you repeat after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Would you like to pick the color today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? And then let's listen. Oh, I heard bleu. Did you hear? Oui, ok. Alors c'est la couleur bleue aujourd'hui. This series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 1.13, A sound. Leçon 1.13, son A. So let's get started on those sentences. Oh, do you remember the name of this image? Oui, un canard, un canard. So what I've done is I've added two little words in front of the word canard. Tu as. And tu as means you have. And then the word canard. So if you look in front of the word canard is a little word un. Now, un, if there's no e at the end, it's a masculine word. So un canard. So the way you learn your masculine and your feminine words is by repeating them a lot. So every time you see canard, think of un canard. So let's say the whole sentence together. Tu as un canard. One more time. Tu as un canard. And that means you have a duck. Was that difficult, Ananas? Non, pas difficile. Bravo, c'est bien. Let's move on, mes amis. On continue. Oh, Ananas. Do you remember the word for tree is arbre? Now, how do we know if a tree is masculine or feminine? Well, Madame has given you the word here in front, un arbre. So that means it is a masculine word. Now, that does not mean that the tree is a boy. It means that the name tree, arbre, is masculine. Tu as un arbre. Try that one more time. Tu as un arbre. Yay! Bravo! You're doing a great job. On continue. Oh, Ananas, do you remember this little animal? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah, now, how do we know if the word lapin is masculine or feminine? Ah, ici, see, there's no E at the end, so it's un lapin. Now, can you repeat after me? Tu as un lapin. Encore. Encore means again. Tu as un lapin. Bravo! Oui! Now you're getting it. C'est bien. Oh, do you remember the name of this little boat? It's the same in English. In English is a kayak. In French is un kayak. Now, how do we know if this is masculin or féminin? Look over here and it says un. It's a masculine word. Masculin. Un kayak. Can you say that? Un kayak. Now let's try the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. La phrase is the French word for sentence. On va essayer toute la phrase. Tu as un kayak. Tu as un kayak. Bravo. On continue, mes amis. Yum, yum, yummy. Oh. Tu as du fromage. Fromage is cheese. And you see here, there's a whole bunch of cheese. Lots of cheese. Now, what was that, Ananas? Qu'est-ce que c'est? See? Oh, Ananas says, what if you only had one piece of cheese? Juste un. Then it becomes un fromage. So the word fromage is masculin. Masculine. Can you repeat after me? Tu as un fromage. Tu as un fromage. Bravo! Yay! C'est bien. Oh, Ananas, c'est une question? It's a question for madame. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, est-ce que j'ai mon sac, Ananas? Je vais regarder. Est-ce que j'ai mon sac? Oh, voilà mon sac, Ananas. Voilà mon sac. Tu veux regarder dans le sac, Ananas? Oui. Je vais ouvrir le sac. On va regarder dans le sac. Let's look inside, dans le sac. Alors, Ananas, tu mets ta main dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, c'est une amie. It's a friend. Oh, les oreilles, c'est lapin. Oh, they are such good friends. Oh, les amis, I like her beautiful ears. Les oreilles. Can you say that? Les oreilles. Alors, bonjour, lapin. She's saying bonjour to you. Alors, les amis, oh, they are such good friends. I hope that you have fun with your friends today too. Did you have fun learning sentences? Was it scary? No, not scary. My friends, how do you say au revoir? How do you say goodbye? Au revoir. Can you say au revoir to Madame, Lapin, and Ananas? We're going to help you. Au revoir, Madame. Au revoir, Lapin. Au revoir, Ananas. Au revoir, les amis.